is welcome to you all. Our today's topic in class 12, Accountancy, Chapter 3, Treatment of Goodwill. And in treatment of goodwill, I explained you there are four methods. Goodwill paid privately, goodwill brought in cash, goodwill not brought in cash, and today we are going to do the fourth and last method when goodwill partly in cash. Partly in cash means when new partner is coming in the firm, he is bringing some part of goodwill in cash and some part of goodwill not in cash. Means combination of second and third method. Second and third method. Second method, goodwill brought in cash. Third method, goodwill not brought in cash. So fourth method is combination of second and third as partly in cash, partly not in cash. So this is the fourth method, not a new method. This is the combination of second and third method. So how to do it, I will explain you today. Children, second method, goodwill brought in cash. So whatever amount the new partner is bringing in cash, we have to write in that entry. Then whatever amount he is not bringing in cash, that will be third method, and that amount will be entered in current account. So today I am going to explain you this method. Generally, that method comes in example. When a new partner is unable to pay whole goodwill in cash, some part he is bringing in cash with capital. Look at the board. This question came in 2007. A and B are partners. C is incoming partner. He is bringing 10,000 rupees for capital, 1,000 rupees for goodwill out of 1,800. What does it mean? 1,000 rupees for goodwill out of 1,800 means the total amount of goodwill is 1,800, but incoming partner is bringing 1,000 rupees. In this question, the examiner or the payment setter will check your two concepts. See, profit sharing ratio is not given in the question. When profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, what will be the profit sharing ratio? According to Indian Partnership Act 1932, Section 4, if the profit sharing ratio is not given, it will be always equal. Okay? If old ratio is not given, that is equal, as well as new ratio also not given, so it will also be equal. Okay, my dear children? So here A and B are old partners, C is incoming partner, so old ratio will be equal without any information, as well as new ratio will also be equal without any information. Here he is bringing 10,000 rupees for his capital and 1,000 rupees for goodwill, but the total amount of goodwill is 1,800. So how to do it? Look at the board. That question may come and fill in the blank also. Okay, in MCQ also that question may come. So how to do it? I will explain you. Look at the board. Date, particulars, LM, debit amount, credit amount, constant. Constantly you can pass through cash account or bank account. But it is my suggestion to you, always try to pass bank entry to bank account because it is comfortable or according to Indian Income Tax Act also. Okay? First entry, bank account debit. Bank account debit to seize capital account. To PFG, premium for goodwill account. This is the combination of method 2 and 3. That's why. Look at the board here. Seize capital is 10,000 and 1,000 is PFG. So the total in bank account will be 11,000. 10,000 rupees for capital, 1,000 rupees for goodwill. So the total amount is 11,000. Now the general entry with narration. Narration, the amount brought for capital and goodwill. The amount brought by C for capital and goodwill over first entry. Okay, this is the first method. Second method. First, privately, not active. Second method, goodwill brought in cash. So he is bringing capital and goodwill in cash. Now, second entry. This PFG will be debited. PFG account debit by 1,000. Now we have to combine third method. Third method is out of 1,800. He is bringing 1,000 rupees only. It means 800 rupees should be transferred to current account. Here is current account debit 800. Is current account debit 800. Why? Because total goodwill is 1,800 and new partner is bringing 1,000 rupees in cash. So in cash means PFG and 800 rupees should be transferred to current account. Okay. Now this amount will be distributed among old partners. In which ratio? Yes, in sacrifice ratio. As I told you, at the time of admission, if new partner brings goodwill or not brings in the goodwill in cash, then that will be distributed in sacrifice ratio. So, 2 is capital account. Is capital account. Narration, goodwill distributed in sacrifice ratio. Now, my dear children, because the profit sharing ratio is equal and no information regarding new ratio, it means old ratio will be sacrifice ratio. Here, that goodwill will be distributed among A and B in 900. Look at the board. Because sacrifice ratio is equal 1:1. I am sure you all must understand this is the combination of two methods. Method will brought in cash means premium method. Okay, so goodwill brought in cash and capital. Okay, goodwill brought in cash. And the amount which is not in cash will be in current account. Is correct. Whether the goodwill brought in cash or not brought in cash, that will be distributed among old partners in their sacrifice ratio. Here in the question, profit sharing ratio, as I told you, according to Indian Partnership Act 1932, if the profit sharing ratio is not given, it will be treated equal. Same here, because profit sharing ratio old and not given, that will be equal, and the sacrifice ratio will also be equal. Okay, so look at the board again. A and B are partners. C incoming partner. 10,000 rupees for capital and 1,000 rupees goodwill he is bringing in cash. So I will explain you to general entry. Look at the board. Bank account debit to seize capital to BH. In bank account, total amount is 11,000, capital 10,000, PFG 1,000. Okay, PFG 1,000 because 1,000 is in cash. Now, but the total amount of goodwill is 1,800. Just now I told you. This question came in exam. 1,800. So out of 1,800, we brought 1,000 in cash. It means 800 not in cash. So not in cash will be transferred to his current account. Current. The total goodwill now 1,000 plus 800 is 1,800, and that will be distributed among A and B in their sacrifice ratio 1:1. See 909. Children noted down. Okay, good. Now, this question may come as fill in the blank in the exam also. So, how that question will come as fill in the blank? I will explain. Maybe that amount is missing. If maybe was that may also be missing. That may also be missing. Teaching. There are various ways to make the question as fill in the blank. Look at the book. 10 and 11, that is 11,000. Okay. They may make the fill in the blank here also. So for fill in the blank question, you should have clear concept. Learn the entry if you know how to make the fill in the blank. Then it is very easy. Bank account debit to incoming partners, capital account to PFG cash. Now, fill in the blank is there. See here in PFG that is 1,000 rupees. That amount will be transferred. Okay. Now, distribution not given, but sacrifice ratio is given clearly. You can fill the amount easily in 1:1, 900, 900. Or if the sacrifice ratio not calculate it, or if the information is not given, assume it. Okay, assume it as yes, very good. Now we will do the question number 22 from NCERT, page number 170. Question number 22, page number 170 of NCERT. Aditya and Balan are partners in 3:2. Aditya and Balan are partners. And they admitted Christopher for 1/4 share. 1/4 share. And new profit sharing ratio will be 1:1. Christopher brought 50,000 for his capital. Yes, 50,000 rupees for capital. And 50,000 rupees for capital and 10,000 rupees for goodwill out of a share of 15,000. 10,000 goodwill out of a share. This is the combination of method 2 and 3. Total goodwill is 15,000 and he is bringing only 10,000. It means 10,000 in cash, 5,000 not in cash. Look at the board, children. How to do? See what I am doing. I always try to explain by the similar way. See in bank, total 60,000. Very good. His capital is 50,000. PAT is 10,000. Now PAT is 10,000 and current account will be 5,000. Why children? Why 5,000? Because the total goodwill is 15,000 and he is bringing only a part of goodwill out of 15,000. He is bringing 10,000 in cash that will be treated as 5,000 not in cash that will be treated as current account. Now this will show how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is old minus new. Calculate for old PAT by 5 by 5 LCM that will be 3. Ratio is 3. 15,000 will be distributed in 3. Okay. Clear? 6. 6. That will be distributed in sacrifice. Now children note down the homework. Question number 25, 26. Question number 25 and 26 of NCERT, page number 170. Question number 25, 26 of NCERT, page number 170. You have to do in your homework copy. Okay, by the same way as I explained. So my dear children, today we completed Treatment of goodwill. There are 4 ways of treatment of goodwill that will surely come in the exam in 8 marker question or separately in 3 or 4 marker question. Maybe that question will come as fill in the blank, as MCQ, like no. The new partner is bringing 10,000 rupees goodwill out of a share of 15,000. What will be the treatment? There will be 4 options also. So it's various ways to give the question.